Hi, my name is Cash. I'm from Cloud Soldier. Welcome back. In this short video, I will show you guys how to add code from your Visual Studio Code to GitHub repository and also code from your Visual Code to Azure DevOps repository. Okay, let's just start. I've logged onto my virtual machine. Let's go to our GitHub first. Say, for example, I create a new folder, just call it new folder, say we call it GitHub demo 1, yeah. And if we go to our Visual Studio, close this existing folder, so we're gonna start from the scratch. Close folder, file, open, new folder, and if I go to documents, and it will GitHub demo 1. Select folder. Okay, so we enter this folder now. Let me add a file, just for example, a demo file. I create main.user. So this is a Terraform file, and let's copy some code. So we have got some code. This is just for an example, so don't worry about it. This code gonna work or not. The main task of this video is that showing you how to push your existing code from the local machine to a centralized source version control such as Azure DevOps and GitHub. So this is our GitHub now. Sorry, my apologies. So this is, let me copy this code and we go to and copy here. As you can see that this has been copied. Let's create a new repository. Let me make sure is it copying out. Yes, it is recording, so make sure. Okay, let's go to my account, and this account is me. If I go to repositories, and let's create a new repository, just to give an example. So let me call it that Terraform Git Demo 1. Yeah, so we can be private or public, so we can keep it private and just create repository. So now we have got this repository and we got no code at the moment. So what we're gonna do, so from our Visual Studio, we're gonna copy this code, push this code to this GitHub repository. Okay, let's go to terminal, new terminal. So this is the location where our project is. So at the moment we have to initialize first, so make sure we have a git installed on it first. So let's check git version. Yes, so we have got git installed, so make sure you have a git installed already. I'm assuming you all guys know about this. Okay, let's do initialize this folder, git init. So this is git in this initialize, and if we do git status, so these are the file we just added. So basically we have to track it and add locally on the staging directory locally. So what we do is git add, quite simple, just 3 commands, 4 commands, git add, and then we commit locally. Git commit, git commit minus m, just say main.tf added, or whatever you want to say, added. So you can see git commit. Okay, now we need to push this to our GitHub repository. To do that, we need to make sure we have a connection to our GitHub repository. To go there, what we can do, So we have done this git add, git init. If we just also create a branch, git branch minus mm, so we copy that. So that's done. Go to next step. So we have to connect this connection. So to Git repository. Oops. Copy. Copy again. So enter. So now we have to push it. Just do it. Enter. That's it. Quite simple stuff. So if we go back again to our, so if we see git status again, it's say, sorry, my apologies, git status. So there's nothing to commit. Your branch is up to date with origin main. Fine. So if you go to our GitHub now, if I refresh it, here we go. You can see that our code has been pushed over here. So for example, again, if I create a new file and say command.txt and we want to push this new command, so we say, hi, this is just a text file from cache. Okay, now if we do git status, you can see that we have added a new file. So we have to locally track this file into our staging directory and then we'll push it. So same thing again, git, we do git add and then we do git, not bit, sorry, git commit minus m push, or we can say command dot text file has been added. Enter. So that's so locally we have got this. So if we do git status, so it says nothing to push. So we can use git push to probably local commits. So your branch is ahead of origin main. So origin is 0 more, but one commit. So obviously we have added a new file. So to do this, we go. Oops, sorry. To do this, we go back to again same command, git push origin main. Enter. There we go. So should be gone now. So if we refresh this git again, there we go. See, we can see this been pushed to our text file from cache. We just added that. Okay. Let's 1 second.